Is your Rogers Ignite TV box stuck on the boot screen, showing the Rogers logo or a loading loop? Don't worry, you're not alone. This often happens due to minor software glitches or temporary power issues. The first and simplest solution is a restart. Start with a soft restart by unplugging the box from the power outlet for 30 to 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. This clears temporary memory without erasing your settings. Wait for it to fully reboot, which can take 1 to 5 minutes. If that doesn't work, try a hard restart by holding the power button on the box or remote for 10 to 15 seconds to force a shutdown, then restart it. Make sure your HDMI cable is securely connected and try a different port on your TV to rule out connection problems. According to Rogers Tech Support, a simple restart fixes about 70% of boot loop issues. This is because it resolves issues related to corrupted cache and incomplete software updates. If restarting doesn't solve the problem, the next step is a factory reset. Keep in mind that this will erase all your personalized settings, apps, and recordings, restoring the box to its default state. To perform a factory reset, navigate to the menu using your Rogers remote. Home, Settings, Device Settings, Advanced, Factory Reset. Confirm the reset and wait for it to complete, which can take 5 to 10 minutes. After the reset, you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi, sign in, and re-download your apps. A factory reset is a last resort for persistent boot loops caused by deep software corruption. Ensure you have a stable internet connection during the reset, or it may fail. If the box can't connect, restart your modem router first. Avoid interrupting the reset process, as this can worsen the problem. If the issue continues to occur even after a factory reset, it may indicate a hardware failure, such as a bad HDMI port, which may require a replacement under Rogers warranty. Contact Rogers support to explore replacement options.